Most of the people who wants to learn digital marketing are confused where to learn or how to start digital marketing journey in a correct order. So in today's video, I am going to say 4 simple steps you can start your digital marketing journey quickly and easily. First of all, if you are a beginner, then I recommend you to practice digital marketing by applying these 4 steps. But if you are an employee or freelancer in digital marketing and working with clients already, then this 4 steps is also useful for you to save your time and your clients as well. So grab your coffee and take a note of it. If you already have a business or working as a freelancer, the first is build the buyer persona. Buyer persona are used to find your target audience for your business or client's business. Buyer persona is also identifies the target audience, goals and characteristics. If you build your buyer persona, you can easily create contents that helps to overcome your target audience challenges. So it is important to convert target audience into your loyal customers. In digital marketing, there are 3 stages you can put your buyers, and that is called buyer's journey. The 3 stages of buyer's journey are awareness stage, consideration stage and decision stage. In awareness stage, people see your content at the first time. They see your social media content and engages at first time. So you attract them by posting infographics or short videos like reels and YouTube shorts etc. to convert them into consideration stage. In consideration stage, people consider your business at the first time. The followers in your social media or email sign up in your website are the people who are in consideration stage. You can send ebooks to their emails or conduct free webinars to convert them into decision stage. And the people who are in decision stage is one step away from the customers. By building case studies and testimonials in your website or social media, you can easily convert them into customers. Afterwards, they will definitely buy your products or services. To convert awareness stage people into your customers, buyer persona is essential. So create them first. The second step after you created your buyer persona is identifying your goals and the digital tools you need. First of all, you need to set some goals for any business. For example, if you want to increase leads, you can do lead generation. So lead generation is your goal right now. Likewise, identify your goals and also learn about the digital tools that helps you to achieve that goals. There are various tools available in the internet for digital marketing. So try out some of the tools, pick one and stick with it. The third step you have to do is evaluate your existing digital channels and assets. You have to know what type of contents you are posting on your social media platforms and website. There are 3 types of content you can see in your social media or website. The first one is owned media. Owned media is a type of content that the business has complete control in it. For example, the business create Instagram post or reel or any other content on their own is called owned media. The second one is earned media, the one that other people sharing your content. For example, word of mouth reviews or other business share your content in their social media like repost on Instagram etc. The last one is paid media. This type of content are used in Google ads, Facebook and Instagram ads etc. to increase the visibility and also to reach more people. The business that paid social media platforms to reach more people is called paid media. The last step you have to do is plan your campaigns. No digital marketing journey wouldn't end with advertisements. Advertisements or paid ads are the essential for digital marketing. So you have to learn how to advertise or how to run ads in social media platforms, because you can reach more people by doing organic marketing. Inorganic marketing, are known as paid ads, is important to reach your business to more people. So in the above step, I told you about owned media, earned media and paid media. Now you have to search and find existing owned, earned and paid media that are already doing well one of your earned media content getting more like than your other contents, or one of your earned media already getting more reach, or your existing ads campaigns are performing well. Select any of this existing content that are doing well and run the ads with it. So if you do that, the ads campaign will definitely perform well and reach more people. Likewise, if you do that consistently, you can easily convert your target audience into your loyal customers. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to TechD. Comment if you have any doubt about this. Follow Instagram and Pinterest for more digital marketing tips and tricks. See you soon. Have a nice day.